Good morning, everybody. Happy Valentine's Day. We are here. Dark Bro is first in the chat. Nick F, what's going on, man? Dark Bro, Nick F, Dark Bro, Nick F. Frank, we got Isilmo. How you doing, man? Slayer, Dark Bro, Slayer, Dark Bro, Slayer. Lee, Outdoor Smile. We've got Dark Bro, Outdoor Smile, Dial Up. Dark Bro, Slayer, Outdoor Smile, Dial Up. Dark Bro, Slayer, Outdoor Smile, Dial Up. Outdoor Smile, Dark Bro, Slayer. Metapockets, Outdoor Smile. Peter, Metapocket, Slayer, Dark Bro, Dial Up, Outdoor. Peter, Dial Up, Peter, Outdoor, Metapockets, Dark Bro, Outdoor, Pika Power. Thank you very much for the super chat. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Pika Power. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Hopefully you're having a great day today, Pika. And another one from Pika. Now, where's Shibarium? We were vaguely promised. That's right, more smoke and mirrors thanks to the Shib development team. Yes, I'm going to be so sarcastic in tonight's Shiba Inu coin video. It's going to be so nice, man. It's going to be so nice. Oh gosh, I love the Shiba Inu coin development team and the fact that they just love to string people along. Oh my gosh. Pika, thank you very much for the super chat. I feel like that right there is my authorization to be overtly sarcastic in tonight's video and kind of politely rip them a new one for being so cryptic and so hype-focused. I'm a boy and I like to cry wolf. Peter, I must have sent the spam folder something. Pika, Matthew, Slayer, Dark Bro, Pika, Outdoor Smile, Peter, Dial Up. Oh, where we go there? Slayer, J-Bones, baby, what's going on? Paul, Pika, Dark Bro, Dial Up, Yee, how you doing? Dark Bro, Outdoor Smile, Steven, we've got Yee, Paul, D's, Slayer, Pika, Paul, Yee, Dark Bro, Jordan, Dark Bro, Paul, Yee, Isilmo, let's go, bro, Isilmo, let's get it, dude, thank you very much for that super chat, I love it, man, my dude shows up, Isilmo just sent his first super chat like 2 days ago, and here he is going, let's go, bro, Isilmo, man, thank you very much for that super chat, and let's get it. Look at this, man, I got a little Greek bro, I like it, dude, I got a Greek bro in here, and I don't actually know if there's anybody else from Greece in here, Isomo. Appreciate you being in here, dude. Pika Power, Steven Franchise, Dark Bro, and Earthling. Whoo! You guys are loving the conversation already this morning. How about the market? Well, there's nothing on the screen right now. My goodness. Where's the market at? We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting down 5% today, $4.44. Not good. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $12.50, right around this resistance/support line at $12.60, up 0.32% of the day. GameStop, $19.32, down 2% on the day. Bitcoin, 22,049 right now. Bitcoin sitting up 1.18% of the day. The NASDAQ coming back down a little bit today, sitting 0.59% lower after the CPI release. Worse than expectations. BR Therapeutics, $3.29. AMC, $4.44. Ethereum, $15.43. Shiba Inu coin, $12.51. Dogecoin, 8.2 cents. Bitcoin sitting at 22,000. Sundial sitting at $2.01. Mullen Auto, 37 cents. CEI, $1.78. That's actually pretty low. SPY sitting at 409. BBIG 60 cents. Does anybody know how BBIG is still listed right now? BBIG was supposed to come out with their earnings report, I'm pretty sure yesterday, or get delisted. Does anybody know how BBIG is still listed? Highcroft Mining sitting at 48 cents. Netflix sitting at 355. 16,888 on LUNC. And QQQ sitting at 303. 302, and Ape sitting at 238 right now. Red, but crypto is green. Gotta love it when crypto is green and everything else is red, right? No, we love it when everything is green. What do you think about GRT? Are you talking crypto or stock? We can look at it here in a second. Yes, increases sarcasm to 1,000%. Dark Bro, man, you already know what it is. Roasted devs. Ah, golly bum, man. Yeah, see, the thing is, I would love to roast these guys like Shitoshi and so on, but it's strange, man. There's so many people that just blindly love these guys and will do whatever they say that it's hard to legitimately roast them because these guys, they literally don't care. Shitoshi could come out and say Shibarium is coming out tomorrow, and then it doesn't come out tomorrow, and then they'll be like, well, something happened. It's okay. Believe in Shitoshi. In Shitoshi we trust. It's like, dude, this dude ain't God, man. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro, baby. Dilly. Dark Bro, I got you. Patrick, thank you very much for that super chat. Gosh, that authorized hydration tastes delicious. We going good. Perfectissimo. Good morning, King Mamba. How you doing? Any news on Shibarium? So, Lonnie, no. The latest news on Shibarium is Satoshi in the Telegram, Satoshi in the Shiba Inu coin Telegram there, talking about Shibarium is going to be released way before May. Supposed to be released on Valentine's Day, dude. What kind of guy talks about a heart-shaped box wrapped in a bow and doesn't expect people to be on Valentine's Day, and then they expect it to be on Valentine's Day? He's like, you gotta man, you can't expect it on Valentine's Day. We got so much else. Dude, if you're a project manager, manage this stupid project, man. Everybody stay with me for the year. It's 2036, and leading title is Shibarium beta testing is successful. Boom, baby, only 13 years to go. God, hey, it's Dark Bro. It's actually crazy to think that one day 2036 is going to be here. That's the crazy part, man. That's the crazy part, is 2036 will arrive someday. And I know it seems like ridiculously far off now and funny to joke about, but 2036 is actually going to be here one day. Maybe then we'll finally have our flying cars. Good afternoon. What time is the CPI data? Julio, man. Sorry if I'm saying your name wrong there. CPI data has already been released here in the United States. Came out almost 4 hours ago. And it came in at 6.4%. That means that prices last month were 6.4% higher when compared to the previous year. Now, it's good news because the previous reading was 6.5%. So inflation is continuing to decline slowly. But it's bad news in the sense that analysts were expecting a 6.2% increase. So the CPI report came in higher than expected, but lower than the previous month. So depending on how you look at it, man, it's good news, bad news. But overall, it's still good news because it means that inflation's falling, just not as fast as they were expecting. Way before May, huh? But the real question is what year? Dark Pro. And yeah, the real question is what year, and the real question is what does way before mean? Like 6 hours before, or what? Fed up with unification, they're the ones holding Shibarium up. Now, Billy Boots. How do we know? How do we know it's unification? That's my question, man. How do we know? Real question, what's up with the daggone UFO talk? Looks like we see aliens before Shibarium. J-Bones, you're actually right, man. You're actually right. I don't know what's going on with all that daggone UFO talk, but I was actually wondering, hey, and if any of you guys are like chemists or anything like that, you know that thing that exploded? You know that train that exploded over in East Palestine? Number one, how far can that crap travel, and how quickly can it travel? Because I was really wondering yesterday, reading all that stuff about it on Twitter, and acting like the news is trying to ignore everything and all of that. But, dude, that last week, man, I wasn't sick, right? But I was like just dead exhausted. I could not stay awake at all. And I had the most ridiculous, I was in the bathroom. Okay, I'm not going to be weird about it. But I was in the bathroom like 30 times. Can chemical poisoning do that to you? Can it, I feel like, and this is why I say, it wasn't like an upset stomach, like I ate something. I really didn't eat anything out of the ordinary or anything that would have given me an upset stomach. But, when you ingest something that you shouldn't ingest, your body wants to reject it, and you expel it. Let's call it expel it. Your body expels it, right? Well, I was expelling something, and I was just obscenely exhausted that one day where I couldn't stay awake. How quickly could a chemical explosion travel, and also would those be symptoms of some sort of chemical poisoning? I was thinking about that last night, and I'm like, dang, dude, because I didn't feel sick. I wasn't like sniffling or anything like that, but yeah, you got me, man. I don't know. I hope I wasn't chemically poisoned over the last week there. Clay, everything good in Ohio? I've been hearing some crazy stuff. Actually, Rozzy, I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, it's obviously okay now, I guess, but I was wondering if I was chemical poisoned last week, dude. Cheer up, Clay. Ryan, I'm doing good, man. How you doing? I wouldn't be too upset if Litosi. That's like Shitoshi with Litosi. Got it. Ran into a bus traveling at 65 miles per hour. Harsh, but I don't care about anyone. Nah, listen, Pudgy, I don't even know if that's that harsh, man. Some people, they're just a little bit less, like, sympathetic or empathetic or whatever the word is. I don't know if it's that harsh, but you'd have to be pretty fast, dude, if he was able to run into one of those things. Afternoon, bros and bro. It's Tony. How you doing, J-Bones? J-Bones. It depends on the chemicals in question and vinyl chloride. This is the chemical in question, I guess. Vinyl chloride. And other factors I have a Haswapper. I don't know what that is, Dark Bro. I really don't know what that is, man. Shitoshi. Ryan, thank you very much. Ryan, my friend. You always come in here, you say good things to me, my brother. You say good things like you own the day. Ryan, I thank you for the super chat. Ryan, thank you very much, man. Should you with a new tweet? With new excuses. I love it. Steven, man. Is it Steven or Stefan? I want to know if it's Steven or Stefan. I don't want to get your name wrong. Steven is number 1. Stefan is number 2. Let me know which one it is. Injection, ingestion, inhalation, and absorption are ways that hazardous substances can be delivered. How far do they go? If you're going to the washroom so many times, it's either something you drank. What I usually do is have a diet journal. Yeah, I know, but what if my diet consisted of, vaporized vinyl chloride? It was coming from a train explosion. What if that happened? Obviously, I think it had to be something wasn't normal. Now that Queenie left, the developers maybe she'll follow me again, or maybe even answer my questions honestly. Peak of power. That's actually very interesting. I obviously still follow Queenie. You should try to send her a message or a tweet or something. And, yeah. Pika, I would like for that to happen. Now, she still works with the Discord and all of that, but she's left the developers as kind of like their publicist, right? I guess that's their public relations expert. So, yeah, Queenie did step down from that role, but I think she's still in their Discords and stuff like that. So, yes, you should, Pika, see if she wants to be your friend. I have no idea why she unfollowed me. That's just kind of crazy. I've always been nice to Queenie. But yeah, we need the inside scoop, Pika, and you're gonna get it. Perfect, man. Perfect plan. I like it. Pika, you came up with a good plan there. Patrick, cheer up, Clay. The mesothelioma lawyers only get paid when you do. Yes, man. Dude, Patrick, thank you for the authorized hydration. Appreciate this. And it is true. Can you just imagine, like, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, I start seeing stupid commercials like that on, were you affected by the train crash that took place in East Palestine, Ohio? If so, please give our lawyers a call at 1-800-TRAINWRECK. We've experienced symptoms like people growing third arms, people losing their arms, upset stomach, diarrhea, indigestion, and nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, diarrhea. If you've experienced any of these symptoms over the last 3 years, please call our lawyers at 1-800-TRAINWRECK. I'd call for sure. I would, man. I'd call for sure. Just what look what Shitoshi tweeted about 20 minutes. I think he may be 15 years. He's Sumo. I actually wonder sometimes if the guy is 15 years old. Let's see if I can pull up what he tweeted there. Let's see. I actually felt sorry for Queenie. Yeah, me too, man. I did kind of feel sorry for Queenie for a while there because I really feel like they threw that girl into some AMAs when she wasn't necessarily prepared for the AMAs. I feel like she should have done a few live streams before doing some major AMAs with like 30,000 people watching. I feel like she could have fielded some questions a little bit better, but also, it's very stupid, man. Like, if I was going to do a live stream with you guys or, 50,000 people in the Shiba Inu coin army when Shiba's ripping, and I was told, you can't tell anybody anything. I'd be like, no, dude, I'm not going to do this live stream. That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Let's see. I gotta go. I have a structured settlement, and I need cash now. Yes. Who's that guy? Is that JG Wentworth, or is that somebody else? My cash, I want it now. It's my money, and I want it now. Is that JG Wentworth, or who the heck is that? I forget who that is. I forget. Let me try to pull up Shitoshi's tweet if I can real quick. While you guys school me on who that is. Ryan! Ryan. Why is it always we're meeting like this, Ryan? We always meet like this. You come in the live stream and you send a super chat. You send a super chat and you make me feel like your brother. I feel like your brother, and I feel like your father, and I feel like your son. Ryan, thank you very much for the super chat, man. She seems kind of like a kind-hearted person who got thrown under the bus, and she made a Toshi speed bump. Yeah, Pudgy, I do agree with that, dude. I think it would be hard for anybody to be a public-facing figure or the public liaison like that when you literally can't give anybody any information. It makes no sense to even have a role like that. You are the punching bag at that point. At least Warzone 2 will follow through with their updates today. That I know nothing about, man. Video games, I don't have it. JG Wentworth, Steven, man, thank you very much for letting me know. Yep, that's it. You guys know it. That's an 1877 Cars for Kids ad. Always made me laugh. I don't know if I know that one, Pika. What's the 1877 Cars for Kids? I don't know if I know that one. I like apples. Good, Jeff. Apples are good, man. I know the squeeze has begun for AMC, but it's going to be an indication that his rip is going to... Robert, an indicator that AMC is squeezing has squozen short interest, man. Just look at the short interest. The short interest hasn't changed like over the last year and a half. It's still like 20%. If after all of this restructuring takes place and the short interest is below 20%, don't put much more hope in it, man. I'm just gonna be brutally honest. You have to base your squeeze predictions and your squeeze expectations on something tangible, and short interest is that. If short interest is down, please don't worry about it too much more. Thoughts on BKKT making a one world currency? Dean, I don't know if BKKT is gonna be able to come up with a one world currency. If anything, I think it's gonna be some form of a digital dollar, right? Or a World Economic Forum digital global dollar or digital global coin or whatever they want to call it. I don't think it's gonna be BKKT, but I do think we're going to go there one day, and I think it's a bad idea because you don't read my Ryan. Make your comments a little longer or something. Ryan, I don't want you, because I know you send a lot of super chats, man. I really don't want you to ever feel like I don't read your comments, though. I really don't want that to be taking place. Isilmo, thank you very much for the super chat. You gotta pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers. Let's get started, man. We gotta get these numbers way up. Which numbers are we talking about right now? I do need to get them up. I need to get the numbers way up. Please. 877 car for kids. I don't even know what that is. I've never even seen that. AMC $1 million a share. Let's get it, Jeff. With the biggest crypto stock in 2030. I hope so, Chris, especially if you're in it. Hey there, Clint. Just trying to figure out if GRT crypto hit $1 or $2. We could look at. I try to look at that. I want to see this thing. What's your honest opinion on the release date of Shibarium? Not today. Not today is my honest opinion. Shiba dollar by 1/2024. World ends 1/2/24. Facts on that. Pig Power Noodle Toes. Oh yeah, Rozzy loves Noodle Toes. However, did you see a spreadsheet I built after work last night? I actually did not. Frank, where did you put it, man? Is it in the Discord? Hello, Samantha. Good morning. He doesn't read mine either. Rozzy, I do read your comments, man. Calm down, calm down. I do read your comments. All right, guys, let's see what's going on here. I had a dream about you dipping and licking. No, dipping and licking is wrong. Julie, you don't even know. Julie, it's either licking and sticking or dipping and shoving. That was not right. That was not me if it was dipping and licking. That's just two completely different things. I don't even know about that. Licking and sticking and dipping and shoving is what I do. What now? Help Claybro get it? Yes. Help Gorilla. Help me. Yes, please do that. Let's see. I'm whoever Gotham needs me to be. I like it, Ryan. Happy Valentine's Day. Samantha, happy Valentine's Day to you as well. Hopefully you do have a good day today. All right, guys, let's see this. Smiling for our future. Solemn for those we lost. Yes, buying Valentine's Day gifts, all that good stuff. Let's see here. 23 minutes ago. Saying here what I just said in the main Telegram chat, overrun by futters and shadow cats, whatever that means. Go enjoy Valentine's Day. Tomorrow, my first of a series of mediums introducing the world to Shibarium will be released. The bow fit nicely, but I'm not releasing anything until Cal is... So Cal's going to be done mourning tomorrow, right? As you know that Cal's gonna feel all better tomorrow. Oh god. And no comments on there. Great. No comments. Okay, so tomorrow, you guys can read this, right? Saying here what I just said in the main Telegram chat. Gosh. Now I'm probably gonna have to include this in my video for tonight. What I just said in the main Telegram chat, overrun by futters and shadow cats. Go enjoy Valentine's Day. Tomorrow is my first of a series of mediums introducing the world to Shibarium. Will be released. The bow fit nicely, but I'm not releasing anything until Cal is done mourning. So Cal's gonna be done mourning tomorrow, right? Great. Dude's got 1 day left. But all we're gonna get is a bunch of blog posts about Shibarium. I promise you, man, if there's anything about, like, the world needs more Ryoshis, therefore Shibarium is a beautiful pot, and it's like the soil in which the flowers will grow tall and wide until they can be spread over the forest, side by side. If we get anything like that in this medium tomorrow, I'm just going to take a deep breath, guys. I'm going to take a deep breath. If we get anything like that in the medium tomorrow, I'm going to be upset. Hopefully you are not. Oh, man. How much money would it cost me to fly out here and just spend the morning drinking coffee and watching other YouTube personalities? Jeff, why you got to fly somewhere to do that? Fly out where? Oh, fly me out. Oh, fly out there and spend morning drinking coffee and watching other YouTubers. I don't know, dude. Jeff. Oh, Jeff, dude. Let me tell you something, okay? Usually when a guy is like trying to buy a plane ticket for somebody to come on and hang out, it's got some bad connotations to it, man. I don't know, dude. I don't know. I'm not gonna accept any tickets to fly out and hang out with anybody on the internet. Might be a little dangerous, dude. Might be a little dangerous. Mama didn't teach me much, but she taught me that. Let's see, Clipper, reposted a tag too. All right, Frank, we're gonna check that out. 2 seconds here. I gotta catch back up with the chat right now. Rozzy with jumping jacks. This is for Pika and Sarah. I don't know what that is, but I think we got a king owl with jumping jacks for Pika and Sarah. All right, these are the jumping jacks. You guys can't see the crown there. Whoo, 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 whoo. Pika and Sarah. I don't know if they asked for that, but they got it. Rozzy, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Very creative. I liked it. Question is, did they like it? Mediums might be in another reward token. Oh, God. Pika, if they say anything about another reward token in these mediums, I'm gonna lose it. I'm telling you that right now. I'm gonna lose it if they say anything about that. What do we got? Ryan. I don't want to wipe out everyone, Clay. Just my enemies. I like Shitoshi. Ryan. I think the same way, my friend. I think you and I, we're on the same page. We're on the same page of the same book in the same chapter. Ryan, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Can you see this? Clay, I'm invisible again. You are not invisible. Sarah, that's the 50 shades of green. You are in here. Clay is right in the first medium. Peter, yes. Clay gave me 2 ads. Well, good. Good. 2 ads mean that I might have gotten like a cent this morning in ad revenue. Perfect. Anybody have clarification? What I do is buy low and then swap to USDC when it has a little run, then buy back in and increase my position. Am I messing up? No, Tony, it actually sounds like you're doing something perfect if you continue to increase your position over time with the same amount of money that you started with. Happy Valentine's Day to all the ladies here. Pika, Samantha, Sarah, all of you guys. Yes. Lunch with Claybro fun. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate that, man. Lunch sounds good. Flying me out to kind of butter me up with some coffee and watch some other YouTube person. I don't know about that. Patrick, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Can Clay or anybody else tell me if crypto will hit $1? Yeah, Yee. Let's look at that real quick, man. Let's look at GRT. Yee is wanting GRT. That's the graph coin, right? Yes, the graph coin. 16 cents, up 15% on the day today. GRT looking pretty good there. 15% gain going from 14 cents to 16 cents right there. All-time graph. I don't think this is going to be that difficult to reach these older prices here that we saw at the beginning of beginning of 2021. The interesting part is, okay, so they have thrown out more coins. So if you look at the peak market cap, which took place during the peak of the bull run, this is fine. I like this graph better than this graph. This graph to me indicates that the bull market did not result in high enough prices, but the coin continued to grow during the bull market, which is good news. So peak market cap 5 billion. It's gonna be tough, dude. Unless we hit all-time highs, unless this coin grows beyond what it has ever reached before, you're expecting roughly a 4x increase from where we are right now. 4x increase is gonna get you to roughly 60 cents a coin. Sorry, 60 to 70 cents a coin. That's based on reaching the previous market cap high. So if you expect $1, I do think it's possible, but this coin would have to grow in the next bull market beyond where it ever went before. The thing that you don't even really have to worry about it now, I guess. Total supply is 10.5 billion. Total circulating supply is 8.7 billion. So you don't have to worry about very much dilution taking place, which is a good sign because they did dilute GRT in this area right here, which is why you see a higher market cap but a lower price. So the fact that they don't really have much dilution left is a good thing, but it's not going to be that easy to reach $1 unless it hits a brand new all-time high market cap, which is not impossible. It's just not as easy as one would expect there. Coming down here for Rozzy. Pika Power, loving it. Pika says, you throw out the little hoot out, you got the noodle toes, my friend. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Pika Power. That's worse than the black cat, man. That's worse than the black cat for sure. Clay. Can't Clay see my... I can see him, I can see him. I promise I can see him. I just wiped out all my enemies. Clay. Just Shitoshi. Michael. I don't want to wipe out all my enemies. Just Shitoshi. Yeah, me too, Ryan. We'll make it happen, dude. Been longer than 2 seconds, Frank. It's been way too long. King Soupfoot? Yeah, that's King Noodle Toe, baby. Chris! 18 months, bro. So late and work sucks. Hello, everybody. Yes, work does suck, and it is all right that you are late, because it's better late than never, man. Better late than never. All right, what do we got here? And if you ever know, you self-employed, something, all that, saw that. Okay, so we're coming down here to 1220 with Frank right here. Let's see. Contracts 15, gain $45, total 810. So we are looking at all right, I don't know what the position is right here. Maybe I have to I'd have to go in there and look at it and something else. So is the gain the total premium that you're bringing in? Frank, is that gain the total premium you're bringing in? That by the time you get out to June, man, you're just bringing in $300 a stinking week in premiums there? Is that what we're looking at? Yeah, it's sick, man. If you're going to be bringing in $300 a week in premiums, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is that what I'm looking at, Frank? I just want to make sure I know what I'm looking at there. So, Clay, what crypto do you still hold? I'm curious. Richard, I still hold quite a bit. I still got Shiba Inu coin. I got Terra Luna Classic. I got USDC. I've got Zcash, Raven coin, a little bit of Ethereum Classic. USDC is my biggest one, right? I got a little Bitcoin now. I got a little Ethereum now, and Dogecoin. I think that's it. I think that is it. On Tether. I've got Tether as well. Forgot about Tether. Chris! Thank you. Short on Noodle Toast. Yeah, I'm short on Noodle Toast too, man. Noodle Toast are scary. Stuck in a work training class for crap I've never and will never mess with. And then gotta hear a sales pitch for stuff I've never heard of. Chris, what do you need a sales pitch for? Are you like buying equipment for your team there, or what is happening? Why are you listening to a sales pitch for work? You buying some new mowers, man? What's going on with that? I'll quit my job in the next bull market. Killer Beja. Very nice. What are noodle toes? Sarah. Somebody explain to Sarah what noodle toes are. It's gross, man. Let's see. Yes, that is the weekly premium. Dude, if you're earning $300 a week by June, literally $300 a week, just creating options income, and it replaces a paycheck, man. It really does. It replaces a paycheck. Hey, bro, what do you think about Baby Doge right now? They are making big moves and ticking off roadmap goals. Look, dude, Baby Doge, a lot of people very interested in Baby Doge, right? I don't have any Baby Doge. Don't know if I'll ever get any Baby Doge, but I don't know all that they're doing. But if you look at the last month, man, Baby Doge has performed phenomenally. So I can't argue with results, okay? I don't know everything that they got going on, but 4xing in value over the last month. You guys can see this here, going from 50 zeros and a 1 to 50 zeros and a 4. You 4x in value over a month, man. It's phenomenal gains. So I can't argue with results. I just don't know why they're getting those results. I guess that's simply, so if you know that they're ticking off boxes on their roadmap and all that stuff, great. But yeah, I have no idea what they're doing or anything like that. I just know that these are fantastic gains, man. They really are. And coming back up, this is the interesting part. They're getting almost up to these all-time highs here, so you want to watch out for that. They're going to run into some resistance if they see another 50% gain here. So just be aware that these all-time highs could be hit. That's all I know, because I don't know what they got going on. Is Baby Doge still in the NASCAR? That I have no idea. Rozzy, get on it. You started it. There you go. Sup, though? Thanks. You always answer. You the best. Richard, I try to always answer, man. Thoughts on Saitama? Are they still around? Is Saitama still around? Oh, boy. Hey, me and 2 other supervisors are legitimately confused as to why we are here. It's more for them selling stuff to our company to get us to buy and have us use above my pay grade and attention span. Dude, maybe you guys went to the wrong meeting, Chris. Maybe you guys went to the wrong meeting, dude. I don't know. Or maybe these guys are just like, I don't know. Let's pay Chris and this other dude to go do something today, since we don't have any work for him to do. Yeah, Chris, you got me, man. I'm flabbergasted by it, just like you. Where's Simonino? Simonino, are you out there listening right now? Any low AI projects worth buying? You know what, Disturbed PT, I don't know of anything specific. One of the AI coins that a lot of people talk about is Fetch. So let's see what it is doing right now, if anything. So this is what a lot of people talk about when they look at AI coins here. Up nicely today at 20% gain. The last month has seen some pretty nice gains, going from 24 cents all the way up to 60 cents and back down to 36 cents and back up to 45 cents. So it is volatile, but this is one of the coins. I don't know what they do. Please don't take this as an indicator to buy it or anything. Fetch.ai, if you want to look into them a little bit more, is one that is often referenced with AI projects. But like I say, man, I have no idea what they're doing. Got some splaining to do, Rozzy. Yes, you do. A pinky ground cuddles a Pikachu. It's adorable. Oh, man, anything cuddling on the Pikachu is adorable. Hey, bro, just getting ready for DEX, swapping on DeFi, taxable events. I swap whatever to USDC and buy back. Tony, let me say this. I can't advise you on your taxes, but I can advise you that the IRS and everybody that works there is extremely obsessive compulsive, probably certifiable, in the sense that everything is a taxable event. If you give your brother $20 for his birthday, that is a taxable event. If you go to McDonald's, man, and you buy a hamburger, that is a taxable event. If you are born, that is a taxable event. If you walk down the street, that is a taxable event. So everything in your life is a taxable event. Now, is it a reportable event? I do not know. But everything in your life is a taxable event in the eyes of those who work for the beloved IRS. Baby Doge listed their burn portal the other day, and they've burned 60 trillion since then. It's a significant amount. Dang, dude. Sounds better than Shiba Inu Coin's burn portal. Chris's bosses knew they weren't buying and made them suffer anyway. Yeah. Outdoor Smile. That actually is what is probably taking place. Chris, listen to Outdoor Smile on that one. They knew they weren't going to buy anything. They didn't want to go to the meeting, so they sent you guys to the meeting, knowing you can't buy anything, but you're the ones that have to sit and suffer through it. Outdoor Smile is correct on that one. Clay, I'm ready for the biggest bear market rally in human history. Send it to all new highs. Old rounder. I am ready for that as well. If you were born in 1993, you were 30 years old today. Well, I was born in 1989, so I am older than 30. Ridiculous. Let's see. Got to go and get ready to go out and maybe a bit of what? What is... Somebody who lives in the United Kingdom, please explain to me what is happening with Sarah Testa at 50 Shades of Green tonight. Is everybody just going to pass over that? Like, I don't speak British. Somebody help me here. This needs looked into. Somebody go to Google and translate that just in case. I can't look it up in front of people. Hey, I figured out how to get this text-to-image AI software installed on my computer so I don't have to pay for a third-party subscription. This millennial isn't going to get left behind by new tech yet. Boom! JB, that's what I'm talking about. I am very glad. And if you want to tell anybody else how to do it, please do so, because I know that nobody loves paying for anything. So JB, that is very smart, man. Outdoor Smile, you might be 8, but I think it's because my numero uno idiot boss got the state chemist called on him for spraying plants wrong. Indiana has 3 state chemists, so it's a big deal. What is going on, dude? Tea party or something in Boston? I have no idea what's happening right now. Baby Doge, people left Europe to get away from taxation. Yeah, and here we go. We've got more of it. Baby Doge has a swap that burns the tokens on every transaction. Swap farm pools. The swap is supposed to be on par or better than Pancake Swap. More BD. You have the cheaper the swap fees. More Baby Doge you got, the cheaper the swap fees. Hey, dog. Sounds pretty good, I guess. So I guess if Shiba is dressed up as a poop turd with a fur coat covering a turd, is it still a turd if they place a cherry on top of the fur asking for a friend? Shibarium isn't wrapped with a bow. John J. No. It's no longer a turd. It's dessert at that point. Anything you put a cherry on top of is dessert. It might not be good, but it is considered dessert. So, no longer a turd at that point. It is dessert. Hopefully that answers your question. I didn't say you have to eat it. I just said that you have to call it dessert. Sarah is on that good stuff. Sarah did it all for the who? I don't know what's going on. What does this even mean? Is that like, did she misspell cookie? What is going on here? Hold on. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. I was going to Google something, but I'm afraid to do it. I'll still eat it. John Jay. Oh, God. Well, John Jay, let me know how it tastes, man. John Jay. Fist, bump. Fist, bump. Fist, bump. Fist, bump. Baby John Jay. Loving it right now, man. Thank you very much for that. Cookie is even better. Cookies are good, dude. Cookies are good. I don't know what's happening over there with Sarah today. Hopefully it's some good stuff. She was now identifying as LUNC and now identifying as a mole. Oh, gosh. Dude, if these coins start identifying as other coins, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. You guys are going to confuse the crap out of me. Don't do it, Clay. JB, I want to do it, but I can't do it. Because I don't know if it's going to pop up on my screen and show all 84 of you what Sarah is getting involved with. Is she baking? I just want to know, is she baking something or is something else happening? I don't know what's going on right now. I hope she's baking something. She puts a nice cherry on top, right, John Jay? Claybro, another I was looking at was Spybo put spreads. I ran every day at the 2 cent making... Gosh, at the 2 cents, making 8 to 10% per week, depending on how many days the market is open that week. Frank, I got to look into this, dude. If I can make 8 to 10% a week, I guarantee you I will do it for the rest of my life, and I will never stop. I got to look into this, Frank. Bull put spreads. 2 cents, 8 to 10% a week. All right, I'm going to have to look into this, Frank. I'm going to look into this because if you're making 8 to 10% a week, my God, dude, if you make 3% a week, you are making just sick money. Sick money, man. You are quadrupling your money every year. It's ridiculous. 3%. So if I can hit 8 to 10%, guaranteed. That's so fetch. What's going on? Oh, what is going on right now? Oh, was Pika Power part of the Cheetah Girls or something? Like, what is happening right now? I don't even know what's going on. What country has low or no taxes on investment? CryptoConL rules. No federal taxes. I believe Dubai has no federal taxes. The Bahamas, I believe, have no federal taxes. And I believe that Puerto Rico has no federal taxes, but I believe the money's got to be earned in Puerto Rico. Those, I could be incorrect as of whether or not that still is the case, but that has been the case in the past. Puerto Rico, the Bahamas, Dubai, and Portugal may have no taxes on cryptocurrency investments to try and bring more people in the crypto world over to Portugal. So those 4, at least in one point in time, were not taxable events. Now, I don't know if they're still that way or not. You can actually look that up. But those 4 have previously been that way. Lovin'. It's another word for lovin'. In the oven? We're baking something. We're baking something in the oven, I guess. Sarah Dust if it shits green is baking something in the oven. Oh, yes. Yarbles to the revenue officer. JK. Long live the revenue office. Pat, yes. Long live the revenue office, please. Please, please. That's what I want to be going. That's what I want to go down in history as being said. Those are my last words. Hello, fam, not flam. Late here. 32 likes at the like button. Gosh, guys, do it for the Vine, man. Do it for the Vine. If you hit the like button, and in this live stream gets over 100 likes on it, you guys got 15 minutes. Share it with your family and friends. I will single-handedly get Elon Musk to bring Vine back so that you can make a video liking my live stream for the Vine. I'll do it, man. I'll do it. I don't care how. I'll do it. I only claim what I sell on an exchange and move to my bank account, but I keep track of what I paid for it. So hey, Tony D, man, listen, I don't care. I don't care if you claim anything. That's between you. Well, I was gonna say you and God, but you and the IRS, right? That's between you and them, man. That's between you and them. Let's see. Thoughts on Volt and Burns. Dude, if they burn $75 million here in the next couple of days like they say they're going to be doing, that is ridiculous, man. Dangerous, Rozzy. Don't want to start a fire. Nobody wants to start a fire. We didn't start the fire. It was always burning since the world's been turning. We didn't start the fire. No, we didn't light it, but we tried to fight it. J-Bones, I have no idea what song that is, but it's beautiful, man. How much Shib do we have to burn in order to get to a quarter of a penny, Clay? Quarter of a penny. Penny is going to be a $7 trillion valuation. Quarter of a penny is going to be like a $1.5, $2 trillion valuation. So you're still looking at having to burn 90% of the supply if you want a $150 billion market cap. 90% of the supply. So you're still looking at having to burn, dude. 550 trillion Shiba Inu coin. It's not going to be easy. Coming back down, guys. I'm going to catch back up. Promise I'm catching back up. Portugal has changed it this year. Starting in 2023, crypto assets sold 12 months after being acquired. Pay a 28% tax after 12 months of holding. You pay 0 to... Okay. So long-term capital gains, nothing. Right? Short-term capital gain, 20% tax. Deserved PT. Appreciate that, man. Clay does not need to go to church on Sunday. He's innocent as they come. Peter. Oh, dude, we can have a bake sale. Will Bat Dad come back if we bring Vine back? If I need to get Bat Dad to come back in order to bring Vine back, then yes, Bat Dad will come back in order to get Vine to come back. I will do whatever I gotta do to make this happen. I'm gonna tell you what is it? It's a cookie, right? It's a nice cookie, I guess. Pika because they suck. Vine was awesome. Yeah. Bat Dad was so fetch. I'm gonna go listen to the Cheetah Girls after this live stream. Yeah, I miss Vine. No, TikTok isn't bad. TikTok isn't bad, but you guys love Vine, right? I have over 1 billion Shiba. Matthew. Very nice, dude. 1 billion Shiba Inu coin. It's got to go to 1/10 of a cent, right? For you to be a millionaire, 1/10 of a cent, dude. Let's make it happen. I've finally come to the conclusion that AMC is dumb, in case anyone was wondering. I don't know if AMC, like the actual movie theater, is dumb, right? I don't like Adam Aaron. I don't like the idea of Adam Aaron doing everything that he's done to everybody over the last 2 years. And I also don't like the shift in mentality amongst the apes who now believe in resurrecting AMC as a company and using themselves essentially as martyrs in order to do so. I don't like it when people take advantage of me, but it seems like everybody involved in the AMC movement now, at least the loudest ones, want to be taken advantage of and use all of their money to save AMC and to pay Adam Aaron. That's the parts that I don't like about it. I like movie theaters. The aliens have returned to bring us Vine. I have solved the riddle. That they could be doing, man. Looking to add 1 billion Shiba. Where should I do it, bro? In one of your wallets, I would say. In probably a DeFi wallet would be the best place to do it. If you do it on an exchange, you could just end up with some... you can end up with some problems, dude, if these exchanges continue to run into bankruptcy issues and things like that. No, it's just dumb. J-Bones, man. It absolutely could be. Let's see. Are you any coins I pay? No, so Hex. I don't have any baby Doge, man. I've got Shiba and I have Doge, but I don't have any baby Doge. So, no. Not into any of those coins. Essentially, I think that Shiba and Doge are the only meme coins. Unless you consider Terra Luna Classic a meme coin. So... no, I don't have any baby Doge or Dogelon or anything like that. I don't know what WTF to believe in besides Santa. You know what, man? Santa's a good thing to believe in. It is. Make sure all the kids behave. You know, the 2 days leading up to Christmas when they care. I have 387 million. My average cost 0.00015. Very nice. Crypto Conel rules. AMC apes have somehow convinced themselves that converting ape to AMC shares is a good thing. You know, I don't know how they've. That's the thing, man. I try. A part of me wants to understand the psychology of other people, but another part of me doesn't care because I know that it is so subjective and contrary to logic that I just don't care to rack my brain about it. So I don't know if they've convinced themselves based on the fact that they see that is the only way now, and any and every direction has to lead to a squeeze. So any and everything that happens along the way is just pushing them to their greatness and their goal. And this idea of like manifestation, you can't do anything to make it not happen. Or if I don't know, because there's some guys out there that make some YouTube videos like that, Bigums and some other people. Rico, I think, is another guy that really likes this dilution idea. So if they just like blindly believe those guys, and they're not really necessarily thinking about it for themselves. But it is very strange to me, man. It is very strange to me that you have basically gone from a short squeeze narrative where you screw hedge funds over to guys telling you all we need to do is give AMC as much money as possible, even if it comes out of our own pockets. If anybody would be a shill, okay, and don't take this the wrong way, it's no disrespect to these kids, but if anybody would be a shill, it would be guys that are telling you to pay every single cent you have to AMC. If Adam Aaron instilled anything in the YouTube world, it would be the people who are telling you to lift up Adam Aaron and AMC. So I don't know, man. Those it's very strange to me, JB. I agree with you on all day, man. I have to clock in by Samantha. Enjoy your morning. Hopefully you have a good day at work today. And if you're able to come back in the afternoon stream or take a little break and hang out for a minute just to say hi, please do so. We appreciate you being in here, Sam. Enjoy your day at work. 5 to 10 years, and do you think crypto in general will survive? So, yeah, crystalline hearts. I do think that crypto in general is going to survive. It may not thrive here in the United States. It may not. And therefore, it may not have the same type of volatility and gain potential. But I do think it's going to survive, man. You can't kill something that's truly decentralized. John J! Thank you very much for the super chat. I've lost that love and feeling on Valentine's. Dang it, John J, don't bring me down, man. Get that love and feeling back up because I love you, John J. You're amazing, man. You really are amazing, John J. You're good, dude. Don't lose some love and feeling on Valentine's Day. I don't know if you're actually like sad about Valentine's Day or not, but I promised you, don't feel bad about Valentine's Day. It's another day, dude, in the year. We got 365 of them this year. Yeah, we got 365 of them this year. It's not a leap year. And every single one of them is going to be better than the last. John J, man, heads up, my friend, heads up, or chin up. Peak of power, thank you very much. Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting that I cut my hair, and you guys got to just a little itty bitty unicorn horn right there. Peak of power. It's just a tiny little unicorn horn right now, man. I feel so ashamed of myself. Pika, thank you very much for the unicorn. I promise it'll get bigger. I promise it'll get bigger. That's never mind. Well, what's your take on future of energy transfer, ticker ET? I would like to add it to my bag for some sweet divvies, but not confident in my DD in the energy sect. Dog, it might be hard for me to really look into this right now, but ET, let's try to take a quick look at it, man. Energy transfer. So right off the bat, I do like the fact that it has been trending higher on a daily chart since the beginning or since the end of 2021. Just bucking the trend of the overall market is a very good thing in this stock. Weekly, okay? It is just breaking out or possibly going to break out of some extremely long-term resistance. Now, if it curls back over on this, you could see a decent run back down. This is a weekly chart right here. So technically speaking, if it did just break out of this resistance level right in here, that's a very good sign. And it could end up running back up to this $18 range. If it's using this as a range of resistance and ends up curling back over, I definitely hold off on it. But the dividend yield is around 10%, which is amazing. $1.22 on a $13 stock. Excellent dividend right there. And seems to be paid out every quarter. Paid out on a quarterly basis, which is not bad. Quick look at the financials, their income statement. They've been increasing their revenue quarter after quarter for the last several quarters. So that's a very positive sign. $22 billion in revenue. Looks very good right there. Positive earnings. Very strong. It's a very strong sign to see positive earnings these days. I'm telling you that right now. But earnings are declining slightly from where they were over the last year. If you look at the balance sheet, the fact they're sitting on $326 million in cash is an excellent sign. They've got total assets. Where are we at here? Total assets. I don't care about current assets. Total assets of $105 billion. Excellent. Total liabilities of only $64 billion. So they are positive book value. They are growing their revenue. Positive net earnings. Just a very, very, very brief look at what they're doing. I like them. Okay? I like them. The only thing that might say hold off a second or wait and see is the fact that they could be right at the top end of this range, and this may turn into resistance in here. And if it turns into resistance and curls over, you could probably just get in at a little bit better of an entry point. So, but you might be waiting weeks to get back in, or a year to get back in, watching it drop down to $9. So it's just what I'd be looking at, man. If I see them briefly, obviously I can't go in and look much more. And during a live stream here, Ryan, my friend, Ryan always comes in with his super chats. Internet Computer Clay, take a look at this shared stake SGT if possible. SGT. I don't know what SGT is. Ryan, let's look at SGT. Oh, Clay has a little unicorn horn. 3214. It's just a cute little unicorn horn. Bro, Satoshi pretty much just called the Shiba Inu community stupid. I'm looking at one of his tweets right now. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he is very condescending in the way that he talks to the community there. I'll agree with that all day. I'll agree with that all day, man. He usually does have a very condescending tone, the way that he talks to the Shiba Inu coin community, which I disagree with, right? Shiba Inu coin community is not stupid. The Shiba Inu coin community just wants to make money. That's all. SGT, is that what I was looking at? Shared stake. SGT, guys, shared stake. SGT has recently migrated from their V1 to their V2. More information here. I don't know anything about this migration. Not many people look at this coin right here. Only on 1,900 watch list. Very, 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 very small market cap. But only 2% of the supply is outstanding. So things that I'm concerned about, heavy dilution, right? But an amazingly low market cap right here. Only $62,000. Now, I don't know if this is the coin you're looking at or if the V2 is out and we need to be looking at V2 here. But looking at this one, that is an extremely low market cap, but it's got potential for major dilution. And that's an extremely low, probably 42 cents when it was at $83 back in March of 2021. I'd be a little skeptical of a coin like this that's only done nothing but go down. But I could be looking at that wrong, dude, because I don't know about their migration and everything that they've done. Let's see. Imminent fist bumps out to a smile. Heck yeah, man. I want to see everyone in here make money. 2022 was too long and stressful year. Dang it already. We all deserve gains. Just want to see some good news. Yeah, John Jay, I do agree with that, man. 2022 was a year of losses and a year of hardship. We are going to be making money. Whoa, 10 million max supply. Yo, going up, yes. How come more people don't buy into Zim and take advantage of the 130% dividend? Aaron, in all honesty, if they're paying 130% dividend, that's probably based on historical dividend payments, and they're not going to be able to keep that up. So we could, not in this live stream right here, but maybe the afternoon live stream if you bring it back up. But dividends come from earnings, okay? You could do two things. Companies you got your whole income statement, and when you get down to the bottom, you've got your earnings per share. You can do two things with those earnings. You can put them in retained earnings on your balance sheet into the company and just inject yourself with cash or buy buildings and so on. So you can retain those earnings, or you can pay them out in the form of a dividend. If a stock is trading at, I don't know, $1 a share, but their earnings per share are 130%, or their earnings per share are $1.30, okay? And they make the decision to pay out a $1.30 per share dividend. That's sustainable if they're able to keep that same earnings ratio up. It makes literally no sense in your mind and in my mind, like you're saying, how come they don't take advantage of it? So we can look at Zim's earnings per share here in the afternoon live stream if you want, but if their earnings per share are not 130% or more of the price, the share price, that dividend is not sustainable, and they're not going to be able to pay out that dividend in the future. So that would be why people wouldn't take advantage of it. Otherwise, you'd be a fool not to. Michael, thank you very much for the 6-month member chat, baby. Lots of babbling, lots of thinking, lots of charts, lots of predicting. You know what is not enough of. King, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. Michael Allen. Michael, man, thank you very much. Ryan, thank you very much for the super chat, my brother. Happy Valentine's Day to you, my brother. Thank you for being a part of the family. The bro family. Ryan, man, thank you very much. Appreciate that super chat, dude. Is that chair even comfy? I mean, you know what? C. Diddy, it's not uncomfortable, but it's certainly not like a comfortable, like a big, you get a big leather chair with some padding and some cushioning and stuff like that. Those chairs are comfortable. Like a real office chair is much more comfortable. But this chair, I mean, it probably wouldn't be bad for gaming, right? I'm not a gamer, but you kind of want to be a little bit more attentive and alert and sitting up and stuff like that when you're gaming. So I would say it's probably not bad for gaming, but I don't know. I wouldn't want to fall asleep in this chair. And that's how I kind of would justify or rationalize comfort if I could fall asleep in the chair. What is this song right now? I don't even... Did Pika write this song? Or is this like a legitimate song that I just don't know? I'm going to put my own melody to it, Pika, because I have no idea. I don't want to be like Cinderella, sitting in a dark, cold, dusty cellar, waiting for Shib to come and set me free. Pika power, it's you and me. Pika power, it's you and me. Pika, thank you very much. I had to put my own melody to that, Pika, because I have no idea if that's an actual song or not, but I kind of like it. I don't want to be like Cinderella, sitting in a dark, cold, dusty cellar, waiting for Shiba to come and set me free. Pika power, it's you and me. Pika power, it's you and me. Pika, beautiful song. If you wrote it and I brought the melody, we brought that song to life. Pika, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it. Mr. Normus. Happy Valentine's Day, ladies. And you forgot me, Mr. Normus. Okay? I don't care if you address the ladies, but you always have to address me, man. That's why I'm on the screen, dude. Mr. Normus, thank you very much for 19 months of bro, dude. Loving that right there. Isilmo, thank you very much for the super chat. I ate so much I may die in a while. That was my Valentine's gift to myself. Boom! Isilmo, I love it. When I eat so much and feel like I'm gonna die like that, I get dizzy, dude. Do you feel dizzy right now? Like you're just so full, you're like, oh my gosh, I should not have had that much food. Is that what you feel like right now? Because that's what I feel like when I eat too much. Isilmo, happy Valentine's Day to you, man. Hopefully you enjoyed your lunch or your dinner there. Sorry, it's gotta be dinner time. Hopefully you enjoyed your dinner there, and you don't pass out or die from overfeeding yourself. Ryan, thank you very much, my friend. Ryan, Michael Corleone. Hey, you're my older brother, and I love you, but don't ever take sides against the bros again, ever. Ryan, I dare not do so. I dare you not to do so either. Ryan, you and I, we shall stay united, man. Brothers friends for life. Ryan, thank you very much. Cheetah Girl song, come on, Pika. Dang it. Listen, I made that melody up. If it's a Cheetah Girl song, I didn't know it. Very sorry. I know Clay sings Cheetah Girl songs. It's free time. I do not do so, Pika. I do not do so. It was very, listen, our rendition had to be better, Pika. Our rendition was definitely better than the Cheetah Girls there. See you, Clay. Yeah, guys, you guys got me 5 minutes late already. Get your name in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs, and we will be back this afternoon with a live stream. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Absolutely. We got shout-outs to Pika Power, Moji, Pika Power, Ryan, man. Don't be so salty. Happy Tuesday and happy Valentine's Day. Pika Power, Ryan, man. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. C. Diddy. See you later, Ryan Davis. I feel you, Isomo. Heck yeah, Brad. See you later, Tom, man. Enjoy your day. The Sloth Queen, Isomo. Enjoy it. Mark L, Meta Pocket, C Diddy, Pika Power, Steven, Stefan, whatever it is. Sorry, I'm getting it wrong. C Diddy, DD214, SD, man. Later to you. C Diddy, Matthew Wheeler, Gorilla Invictus, the Sloth Queen. Later, dog. See you later. Lyman Dave, enjoy it. See you this afternoon. All of you guys. Well, I don't know. If Patrick's still in here, Patrick, see you later, man. Nick F, Pudgy, all of you guys that are in here. Outdoor Smile, Dark Bro, if you're in here, peace out to you. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, dog. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.